What's up guys, Iovo here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how you can record your screen for absolutely free. Now whether you want to make gaming videos on YouTube or just record tutorials, this is the fast, free, easy, and legal way you can record your screen. So all you want to do is go ahead and go on Google and search for Open Broadcaster software and go on the first website that comes up. Now you want to just select the version of your operating system. So for me, I'm running on Windows 8, so I'm going to go ahead and click it, and as you can see, the exe file for the installer will be downloaded. So once that finishes downloading, you want to just go ahead and click on it, and you're going to run through the setup. So as you can see, it's opening up. Just click yes, and then click next. You have to agree, and then it's going to download OBS. Now OBS is a really versatile software. You can not only use it for recording your screen, but also use it for other things such as live streaming. So once you download OBS, this is the software itself, and it's really easy to set up. So what you want to first do is go ahead and go into settings and click on settings, and then go into broadcast settings and make sure that the mode is set to file output only. This means that you're going to be recording your screen. If you want to do live stream, then you would go on live stream, but we're going to be recording the screen, so we're going to select file output only. Now here you can mess with the settings, such as the encoding and the video and audio settings, such as, the resolution you want to record at, the video adapter you're using, and whatnot. And once you have that all set up, you want to go ahead and click OK. Now to record the actual screen, what you want to do is have a scene ready. So if you don't have a scene, just right click and go to add scene. And then once you have your scene, all you want to do is have a source for this scene. The source is basically what you're going to be recording. So I don't have a source yet for this scene, so I'm going to right click it and add a monitor capture and just name this my monitor. And now I can select what I'm going to be recording. So I only have one monitor, so I'm going to click on one, and I'm going to leave everything the way it is. You can change it up if you want, and then just select OK. Now what you can do is go ahead and click on preview stream, and it'll show what we're recording, and as you can see, there is OBS Inception. But if I was to open up something, then you could just see that it'll record the screen like so, and if I was to close OBS, then it would just record this screen. So once you have that all set up, you want to just go ahead and go to start recording, and it'll start recording, and then once you stop recording, it'll stop recording. So this is a pretty simple tutorial. If you want me to go more in depth about OBS, not in depth, please let me know. But that's about it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and as always, thanks for watching. My name is Iovo, and I'm signing out.